Starting with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Dunya Rang Rangili. Guys, in today's session we will learn all about the perspective crop tool, that how can we use the perspective crop tool. So before starting guys, if you are new on my channel, if you have not yet subscribed, then smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates from my channel about the textile designs, about the interior design, graphic design and paintings and artworks. Okay, so let's back to the work. You can see I have this photo, this building photo and this book photo, and this also building some type of houses. Guys, if you press C on your PC, you can switch to the crop tool. I'm pressing C. You can see I have selected this crop tool. Now if you want to press, if you go to the perspective crop tool, then simply press Shift and C. You can see I have switched to this perspective crop tool. Guys, by pressing Ctrl plus, I'm zooming this out. Let's select this and I will have this according to a pic. I will have this I will convert this picture into a pic. I will select only this portion and you can see how will this happen. I'm going to select this portion. You can see the grid is bringing into, you can see the grid is visible on the PC. Like this, I've selected this. You can also click here, commit current operation, or you can press simply enter on your laptop. I'm pressing enter. You can see guys, I have this photo. I've converted that photo into this photo. If you don't want this, you can simply press Ctrl Z like this. Guys, now I'm going to convert this photo into simple look. I'm selecting this like this. I just want to straighten this photo and I press enter. You can see it will happen somehow like this, or you can also elaborate it according to your styles. Guys, I'm selecting this with the help of my perspective crop tool. I just want to straighten it. Guys, you can also straighten your pages, assignment pages, or many other things which you want to give them a straight look. If they are in perspective, you can see I pressed enter and it became like this. If I go with this, I'm going to have the 4 marks right here. You can see if I press enter, you can see it will give the straight look to my perspective, or 2-point perspective or 3-point perspectives. Okay guys, hope you had enjoyed today's video and you had learned about the perspective crop tool and how to use this tool to give your photos the fantastic looks and to use this in Photoshop. So this is Artist Abra signing off. We'll come back with another video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.